Today I wanted to show some behind the scenes on how I film vertical reels. Of course, the most easiest and popular way you can film a vertical reel is by using your phone. But the reason why I might get hired to film a vertical reel for a brand or business is because they want something a little bit more than an iPhone footage, I guess. Some examples of reels that I got hired to do are like fashion reels where they're promoting a product, short ad campaigns, local business highlights, and event recaps. The way I film these vertical reels kind of vary depending on the project, but today I'm going to show you my recent setup. So this is our setup. So it's the Sony a7S III on the 55mm and on the DJI RS3 Mini. It's not like I do any crazy movements on the gimbal or anything, but I like that I can put the camera vertically here and I have something where I can move around and it'll be stable. So it's been like an easy, light setup. And quickly before we start, in the camera settings, I am filming in 60p just in case I need to slow down some of the B-roll shots. So today I'm going to do some event coverage and I'm going to shoot everything vertically on this. So I just wanted to show a little behind the scenes, real time. I would say an event coverage is a lot easier and straightforward compared to like a commercial shoot or a fashion shoot. So should be pretty straightforward and easy. Today is Small Business Saturday and there's an event called Keep It Kaimiki Saturday, so there's a lot going on and I made a bunch of short form content for them this year, so we'll see how it goes, but a little behind the scenes. Let's go. So this is where a chunk of the action is happening, so I'm probably gonna grab a lot of B-roll here. I think when it comes to B-roll, I just want to get wide, medium, tight, as much variety as possible and kind of figure it out in the editing room. Ready? So lively this year. I forgot to mention that I also try to get hero shots of business owners and volunteers as well. Here's like an example. I'm gonna get, for this shot, this tent here, I'm just gonna get one wide shot, hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna go and get some tight shots. Tight shot. Maybe I'll get you like pretending you're, or do you want like a, cute. Okay, cute and quite, yeah. Cute. Perfect. Thank you. I'm just waiting for the song to end so I can get the audience clapping instead of just like zoning out. It's like always better when they're clapping or smiling, so just waiting for the song to end. So usually when I do event coverage, I want to get some sort of voiceover. So I'm just going to wait for Jordan, the co-founder of Keep It Kaimiki, to have some free time. And I'm just going to put this mic on him and have him just like tell us what's going on today, what Keep It Kaimiki Saturday is all about. And I'll just use that as the voiceover for the reel. And that's probably the only talking that I'll actually use in the reel, and the rest will all be visuals. With reels, we keep it pretty short anyway, so just something short and sweet is something we need. But they have like a long line at the Keep It Kaimiki booth because they just released some new merch and the colors are so cute this year. The other shot that I'm trying to get before I leave is the trolley, because every Keep It Kaimiki Saturday they try to get trolleys, so I'll probably just wait by and get like a shot from across the street where we have the trolley. With the event coverage, like other than like things happening, it's like what do we want to highlight, what is the feeling we want to give, and I guess it's all about community and supporting small businesses, so I want to make sure that we get that feeling across. If you're ever coming to Hawaii, make sure you come to Kaimiki if you want to support small businesses. There's a lot of local brands, local businesses here, so better than like giving money back to businesses that aren't from here. I gotta sneak him away, but he's kind of busy. Maybe we'll do this side just So that's like the background. Okay, so I'm just gonna have you hold this.
So today is Keep It Kaimaki Saturday, and we're here at Iolani Elementary with our to hold together the fabric of our neighborhood, and we're so appreciative for everyone. Good? Okay, thank you so much. Oh my God.
Okay, so I'm just gonna stand here and get the trolley coming. So I'm probably gonna get one of these people here getting on, and I can also get a shot from the people across. I think this is a good spot to get both. We're just taking a little break at Aloha Bakehouse, a neighborhood cafe. We kind of got most of the footage that we need to get. I just want to get a little bit of the shops along Kaimaki because that was like just some pop-up booths, but then this whole area is Kaimaki. So there's a lot of small businesses in this area. And maybe get a few shots around the streets that show that we're in Kaimaki. Little scone break, and then I think we'll be done after that. Jack needed some spam musubis to fuel up.
Well, I was walking down the road just the other day. I met a young boy passing my way. I said, look at here, man, why you acting so blue? He said, if your best girl had left you, you would act this way too. Then he said,
Today because it's pretty straightforward, but I'll give you some quick pointers. I set the project to 1080 by 1920, which is the aspect ratio for reels. I used DaVinci Resolve to edit and color everything. For the song, I used Musicbed, and I still have a discount code available if you want your own subscription. It's also what I'm using for the songs in this tutorial as well. Now here's the final product.
Today is Keep It Kaimaki Saturday, and we're here today at Iolani Elementary at our Keep It Kaimaki Makers Market. Today really is all about celebrating small businesses, shopping local, shopping small, shopping with the mindset that small businesses really do hold together the fabric of our neighborhood, and we're so appreciative for everyone. Shopping small really is not just today, really matters, especially for the holidays, to really keep open our small businesses, helping our small business community thrive, and to really just keep that mindset going on year-round.
I hope this helped a little bit. Of course, this is just one way to approach filming vertical reels. You can experiment with different lenses, different gear, whatever you want. But I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.